Namaste, how are you guys? So, ever since I was a child, I never had my own room. Yes, so since I was born, we have shifted to like three houses. One house was where I used to live with my uncles and aunts. Then we shifted to another house, which was a 1 BHK. And over there, obviously, I was a child, I was in school, so I didn't have my own room even back then. I used to sleep with my parents. Then we shifted to this house, which is a 2 BHK, and my grandparents, Dada Dadi, decided to live with us. So one room went to them, one room for my parents. So I again didn't have a room for myself. So this room that you see right now, a lot of you think that it's my room. It's not my room. I never had a room for myself. I live here, work here throughout the day, and at night I sleep with my daddy in that room. So I decided to buy a complete house for myself. Yes, you heard it right. I bought a house for myself, and I am super excited to share this with you. So, obviously, you might think that, oh my god, you earn so much. Nah, my parents have also helped me financially for this. So, let's say like 40% is them and like 60% is me, but I'm not gonna talk about financial stuff in this video, but just share the house tour. It's an empty house right now. It's very tiny and it's exactly what I was looking for. For now, it's perfect, and hopefully it will serve the purpose that I got that for. So I'll be basically turning that into my workspace slash my chill space. Also, my live streams will be also from that house. So yeah, I'm super excited about this. Are you guys ready to see the empty house tour? Let's go and check it out. Hello Ji, namaste. Welcome to my new house, guys. So the place where I'm standing right now is the hall, and yeah, things will be pretty echoey because there's no furniture, nothing at all. तो काफी echo हो रहा है, but ये future में नहीं होगा for sure. So आ जाओ, देखते हुए एक छोटू सा house है, but perfect है. So this is the hall that you see. So the window is one of the major reasons why I got this house. I wanted a house which has natural lights. It's very good for my videos. Like in my old house, I had a lot of artificial lights. Although it helped, but I love what natural lights do. And yeah, I would love to just sit here, have my cup of tea or coffee and see the sunset. The view is amazing. And yeah, there's this wall. I'll let you guys know about this wall. We are planning to make this hall bigger. So this is the kitchen, and yeah, this is where I'll do all my future challenges as well. There's a little puja that we did yesterday. This is way too echoey, I know, but please forgive me for that. And this has a nice view as well. There's natural light here also, which I like. Like natural light हर room में है, which I'm super happy about. And we are actually planning to break this wall. That is one of the main thing that's gonna happen, like a big change. So because of that, my hall will get bigger and we'll have like an open kitchen. That is what I'm gonna do to make this house up here a little bigger, just the hall, because that is where most of my shoots will be happening. So I need like a proper place where I can keep my equipments at the same time I can also be there. If you don't know, it takes up a lot of space. So yeah, this wall will be gone soon. So yeah, kitchen is done and the wall portion is also spoken about. We have two washrooms. This is the first one, which is really tiny. There's a pot, a wash basin, a shower. So this is what the builder gave us. We did nothing new. And then when we move here, we have this portion as well. This is where I'll put up all my favorite pictures with my favorite people. I'm super excited about this wall. I've already thought about it. And here's the second washroom. I'm so happy there are two washrooms here because then I can use both of them. One for maybe my makeup, skincare stuff, and other for actual use. So I'll just decorate one properly and one will be just like that, empty. So yeah, two washrooms. And then once you open this, there's the bed room. So like you can see, there's so much light here, and the view again. I think view is one major reason why I got this house. I always wanted a room which has a nice view. My current room has no view at all thanks to the building that just came up. So this view, we can also see the train, and I'm so excited to see the sunsets here. So here's the bedroom, the overview of it. I am still not sure what I want to do here. There will be my gaming setup here for sure in this room and not in the hall. So there will be gaming setup plus a tiny bed. Let's see if it's single or double what I can manage. But हाँ, तो ये bedroom हो गया है. छोटू सा है, but अच्छा है, perfect. And that's about it. The house is like 363 square foot, which might be tiny for a lot of you, but Mumbai में ऐसे ही घर है, छोटे-छोटे boxes के type का अभी के लिए, whatever is new and available at something like this. And 1 BHK is very hard to find in Mumbai now because most of the towers have like 2 or 3 BHK. So yeah, we found this and I'm so happy about it. I am mostly excited about this view that's right here. This is one major reason why I got this house, and the lighting that's here, natural light for the bill. So yeah, yahi hai chotu sa house. I'm super excited to decorate this and like make it my home, if you know what I'm talking about. So once I have the wall broken down, I'll start with the renovation and everything. I have some ideas, but I'm still confused. So if you guys have any ideas, you can let me know in the comments below. And that's about it. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Firstly, I would like to thank you guys. This happened majorly because of your support and love. So thank you so much for it. I truly appreciate, and I'm super happy to take you guys along with me on this journey. We are gonna build this house together, and I'm gonna share each and every detail with you guys as well. So get excited about it, and that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what can I do to make this house special and unique. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is coming up very soon. Bye.